Good morning all brother and sister, welcome to Sathuragiri Shri Shiva Saithargal. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. 950 employees stranded at 3,280 feet. 950 employees in Sikkim continuously survive 3,280 feet in South Africa. Cape Town, South Africa is the world's largest gold producer. Each year, they are producing more gold. At the same time, that country is a question of security. There are so many tunnels that are very bad here. There are more than 950 employees in such a mine. The fight is going on to restore them. The incident took place at a mine in a Wellgam town where a number of employees are working. The workers are stuck in a mine at 3,280 feet. Staff have been laid off from Wednesday night. What is the reason? For the reason there was a storm on Wednesday. The power of the area is cut off. Electric wires are cut. As a result, employees are stuck in the lift without a job. The delay is very late and the workers are being rescued every person. One could not get more than one person at the same time. Electricity is coming up tomorrow. This has resulted in a major chunk of recovery work. No protection, there is no security for anyone to be there. Currently water and food are provided. But the amount of oxygen available to all is not known to be able to arrange. No protection, there is no security for anyone to be there. Currently water and food are provided. But the amount of oxygen available to all is not known to be able to arrange. 650 have been recovered so far. They were hospitalized. Their health is said to be very good.